Deep cleaning on Asus N550JK laptop. Thank you, Sir David, for trusting PTT Solutions. A deep cleaning service was performed on the Asus N550JK laptop to address performance issues commonly caused by dust buildup and poor internal airflow. Over months or years of use, dust naturally collects inside the laptop's cooling system, especially around the fans, heatsink, and ventilation openings. This buildup restricts airflow and forces the system to work harder to cool itself, resulting in higher temperatures, louder fan noise, and slower overall performance. To restore the laptop's optimal condition, the unit was carefully opened and disassembled. The internal fans were thoroughly cleaned to remove dust from the blades and motor housing, ensuring smooth and stable rotation. The heatsink fins, which play a crucial role in dissipating heat from the CPU and GPU, were cleared of compacted debris that can trap heat inside the system. All air vents and openings were also cleaned to allow cool air to enter and warm air to exit efficiently. In addition, the internal components, including the motherboard, RAM slots, and connectors, were gently brushed and cleaned to prevent long-term corrosion and system instability. Thermal paste was inspected and refreshed if needed, ensuring proper heat transfer from the processors to the cooling assembly. After reassembly, the Asus N550JK showed noticeable improvements: cooler operating temperatures, reduced fan noise, and smoother performance even during demanding tasks. This deep cleaning not only helps maintain system reliability, but also extends the laptop's lifespan by preventing overheating-related damage. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.